Alright, so I got Temu'd again, everybody. I got a box in the mail. I actually showed up overnight. These people will just deliver at all hours, which is beautiful. This bird feeder, because you know how I'm obsessed about the birds now, right? It was supposed to be solar. It's solar as in the fact that it just hangs out in the sun, I guess. I'm gonna fill this sucker up, go hang in a tree, and then open my mystery Temu box. Boom. Why didn't you just ship it right here? Oh wait, it's another bird feeder. Oh, this is the solar bird feeder. See some limbs that it'll be just perfect on. Be right there. So I definitely want it on this side so I can shoot my camera at it from the porch. So close, and yet so very far away. Now we watch.